Installation of the Keystone two-sided latch. Draw a level line at the desired height for the latch on the side of the post facing the gate. This line will locate the center of the latch when installed. Align the supplied template with the line so that the side with 3 holes is on the side of the post. The line should be visible through the center hole of the template. Mark all 7 holes provided in the template. Reverse the template and align as described in the previous step. Mark all holes in the template. Using the marks created in the previous steps, drill the 2 5/8" diameter center spindle holes on each side, making sure the holes are drilled level. Drill the remaining 10 mounting holes to a 1/8" diameter. The Keystone is designed to fit both right-hand and left-hand applications. To conform your application, both the button assembly and the latch assembly may need to be reversed. To reverse the latch assembly, tilt the assembly back and remove the 4 screws holding the mounting base. Carefully lift and rotate the mounting base without disturbing the internal components and replace the screws. To reverse the button assembly, remove the 4 screws holding the mounting base, carefully lift and rotate the mounting base and then reattach the screws. Keystone is designed to fit post sizes from 2 to 5 inches. For posts less than 5 inches, the spindle will need to be cut to the proper length. There are 7 marks inscribed on the spindles, and they are numbered from the end inward. Choose the cut location based on your post thickness from the chart, and trim at the chart indicated location using 2 sets of vice grips and bending back and forth until the spindle snaps at the score. The button spindle is mounted through the lower hole, and the cylinder spindle is mounted through the upper hole. Without the button depressed, the cylinder spindle should protrude through the post by 1/4 inch, and the button spindle should protrude by 1/2 inch. Be sure the spindle tips are free from burrs and sharp edges. Align the cylinder spindle so that it matches the mating slot in the latch assembly. The mating slot is in the top hole on the back of the latch assembly. With the button depressed, align the latch assembly with the spindles and slide it into place. Be sure the latch is not in the lock position when testing. While holding the latch assembly in place, test the latch by depressing the button. When the latch is not locked, the latch knob can be used to lift the latch mechanism. Attach the latch assembly to the fence post with the supplied screws. After installing both the button assembly and the latch assembly, position and attach the striker. With the gate closed, position the striker with the striker rod within the latch assembly behind the latch mechanism and fasten using the same procedure as the latch assembly. Position of the striker can be adjusted by loosening the screws and sliding up or down. After installation, test the locking and unlocking mechanisms of the latch from both sides. For the latch side, lock the latch by turning clockwise to the stop point and then counterclockwise to the 12 o'clock position and remove. Unlock the latch by turning counterclockwise to the stop point and then clockwise to the 12 o'clock position and remove. For the button side, lock by turning the key counterclockwise to the stop point and then clockwise to the 12 o'clock position and remove. Unlock the button side by turning clockwise to the stop point and then counterclockwise to the 12 o'clock position and remove. If the lock feature fails to work, you will need to reverse the button side cylinder spindle. To reverse the spindle, remove the keys and remove the latch side from the post. Rotate the button side cylinder 180 degrees by turning the spindle as shown. This should only turn in one direction. Reattach the latch to the post, taking care not to turn the cylinder spindle or the cam inside the latch housing. Once complete, check for proper operation. For more information, visit nationwideindustries.com.